Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change an administrator account to a standard user in Windows 10 settings. For this, first click on this one Start button, then click this one Settings icon, then choose Accounts, then click Family and Other Users in the left sidebar of Settings window. On the right, find the Other Users section. Under this, select your user administrator user account and click on it. Then click on this one Change Account Type button. In the drop down menu, select a standard user. Then click on this one OK button. This will make your local administrator account to a standard user on Windows 10.